So you want to go to the course that you want to pull the grades for. Go to the grades section. Look in the actions and you'll see export. Click export. It'll say the Gradeboard export is started. Once it downloads, you'll see it show in this window down here. You can see where it's at in the Finder, but we just want to go ahead and open this. Once it opens in Excel, you'll see that their name, the ID, SIS login ID, that's what's important. And then you'll see the separate quizzes and grades. And we need two pieces of data. We need their student ID, and we need to scroll over and find the current score. Not the points, we want the current score. That's our percentage grade. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the C in my case, so that it highlights the entire column, and you can do Command C or Edit Copy. And what we want is a new Excel file. You can do Command N or select File New, and then you're just going to paste right into that field. And then you go back to the original slide, Excel, go over and find your current score. In my case is AA. I want to click on the letters and Command C or Edit Copy. Go to your new file again. Click on the B column and do Command V or Edit Paste. And you'll see that the scores match up with the ID. Now you need to scroll through the list. If you have any blank scores, you either need to put in a 0 or you could put an I for incomplete. And because if you have blank scores, it will mess up the import. So find any blank scores you have. If you get an error on import, it's probably because you have a blank. You want to save that file, and I'm going to call it Progress 6. Your name can be any as you choose. You want to save it as a comma separated values, a comma delimited. So CSV. And then save it. Make sure you know where it's going. And then that file is in my documents right there. Okay, now we want to go to My Student. You want to go to the grade section, and you need to do this in each of your courses. Like I need to make one for my advanced and one for my 6th grade. So I want to just add an assignment. I'm going to call it Distance Learning Grades, a progress report. The points, just give it some amount of points. This will be the only thing in here. You really don't need all the other material information, but you can. You can go ahead and use this one to make it in all your courses. Save. And so now I have this grade, and so I want to click on the I, the information again, and now it will have an import CSV file. So I click that. I use the choose file to find that document that I saved. I want to set it on %. The student ID is column 1. The score is column 2. I click upload. And all the grades will go in with their percentages based on their current grade. This will work for all of your basics, but you'll need to do it separately for any other courses, so I'd have to repeat this process in the advanced course. Once we're there, you'll be able to then submit the grades through the grade link.